Guys, don't. No, doing that.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Happy and you know it, and you're in.
There you go, kids.
Happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Opong mais.
Size. Go down.
Is that Dad? Because he goes to 1.
You got marbles.
What happened, Jelana?
Was it Dad? Was Jay? Who's the winner?
Jelana, stop that. No, don't be a bratty. Get up there. Are we done now?
Yeah.
Why? Are you playing now, your baby doll? You wanna go, baby doll? Where's your baby doll? Papagalitan na siya.
What you want?
She's gonna get a stick now. She's gonna get a stick. Thank you, Mikay. She's gonna get stick now. Daddy's gonna get her a stick. Oh, you don't care? Really? If you, that one... Where's your baby doll? Are you not feeling happy? She's not feeling happy. Oh, no, that, Jelana, that, and then she put it up. She does that, yeah, she put it up the puwet. Yeah, that boy, she did a back wheelie.
No one this. That boy would do.
Yeah, I know, you wanna do back wheelie? That's what... No, and then, yeah, you wanna do it? Jade has to get up. Okay, no, you have to do it here. No, not on the carpet though. Okay. Oh, hep, okay. Okay, hep, hooray. You want daddy too?
Hooray.
Take. Oh, Jade, I'm gonna get... Okay, game, hep. You want daddy, need to be 3. Talk to daddy. Say dad, say please. No, I have to do the video. No, I need to do the video. Dad, okay, hep. Okay, now get up now. No. You have to do it then. Hep. You have to show daddy how to do it though. Okay, how you do it? Okay. Okay, now you... Okay, you have to go there and point it. You have to go and point it.